Hey friends, I have this little wooden green frame. It's scratched up, so I'm just going to use my gator sander on it, and I'm going to scratch it up some more and just distress it. And then I'm going to use some cardboard. I'm going to make a piece just big enough to fit inside my frame. So I'm going to cut this out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it with some Waverly chalk paint in the plaster shade. I give it a generous coat of paint and make sure that it's dry. And then after I'm finished with that, I'm going to place it back into my frame, and this is going to be my surface. So I have this Hobby Lobby pick, this little pumpkin. I'm going to take it apart. I had made a video a few days ago with a framed little flower pot, and somebody made a comment saying this would be cute if you used a pumpkin. So I'm cutting this pumpkin in half, and I'm going to make a pumpkin inside the frame. So I'm going to pull it apart and see it's going to fit right in the frame like that. And then I'm going to hollow out the inside of the pumpkin enough to be able to put some florals in it. Now you could definitely leave the pumpkin the color that it is, but I'm going to paint it. And the color that I'm using is actually a Valspar sample shade, and it is Tropical Nut. It's a really good fall shade. So once I'm done painting it and it's good and dry, I'm going to go back with some Bare Premium white wax. I use a blending brush to wax over the entire pumpkin. And once I'm finished with this part, it's time for me to glue my pumpkin down. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue my pumpkin into place. Now I'm going to use the Stampin' Up punch, and I'm going to make myself a tag. I have this cute fall set of stencils. This is a new set. I'm going to use Hello Fall, and it fits right on my tiny little tag here. And next I use my little eyeliner brush and go back and fill in all those bridges. As always, I say the bridges are optional, but I like to fill in my bridges. So now I'm just going to add some greenery into my pumpkin, and I have some other fall florals that I'm going to add, and I'm just going to keep adding them till it's nice and full, and it just looks so cute, doesn't it? And then I'm going to add some Spanish moss to the bottom of it. You could do whatever you want with this. You could add anything in there and just make it your own. You could use just about any kind of frame with this, something from Dollar Tree even. This is just a small 4x6 frame. So I grubbied up my tag a little bit, and I used some Distress ink in the Vintage Photo shade to go around the edge of my tag just to make it look older. And I made a cheesecloth bow, and I'm adding a little bit more florals, and then I'm just going to glue my bow in the middle of them. And then I went back and I added even more Spanish moss to the sides because I wanted to make it a little bit more full than it was. Once I trimmed that up a little bit, I just finished it off with a little button in the center of my bow. And I really like this project. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching.